What is going on, guys? Today we are reviewing and unboxing a parcel received from AliExpress, and it is a hair trimmer basically. So let's just see the quality of the hair trimmer, and I will give you my initial review and impressions of this product. So let's just get this product out of the box. Right out of the box, as you can see, here is the hair clipper itself in the box. I believe we have got something else as well. I don't know what it is. I believe it is just bubble wrap. No, there is something inside of it. So let's just dive right into it. It's quite strong. I believe it must be a universal, I believe, socket or something like that. So let's just get it out with some brute force. Yes, as I suspected, there is a European charger outlet. So that's pretty amazing. They have got that as well. So now let's just take a look at the hair clipper itself. So let's just open the box, and oh yes, baby, now we're talking. As you can see, this is the hair clipper itself, and oh my god, it is quite a sleek hair clipper actually. So we have already got the attachable and detachable front head on the clipper. Then we have got this compartment, which I believe, yes, holds the rechargeable cell. So that is also pretty amazing. And let's just see what else is inside the box. So as you can see, there is a basic charger together with that wall outlet. So I believe it costed me around like $10, and for that the build quality is pretty sturdy, I must tell you. And here are the prongs in which you have to charge this clipper, and let me just boot it right up and I'll talk to you in a second. Yes, now that I have tested the product and used it for a bit, I must say it is quite an amazing and sleek product. It charges via this port, the light comes on, and I have tested it, so it works quite flawlessly. As you can see, I would not trim any hair right now, but it works pretty flawlessly, and you can either remove the head or change the angles for whatever you desire. So that is pretty amazing, and for what its price is, this is an amazing product. I believe it costed me around $8, and the shipping was also free, so that's pretty amazing. We got a cleaning cloth as well as a cleaning small mini brush, and that is all that we got out of this product. But this is pretty amazing product. Thumbs up for me. The links will be in the description for this product. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Peace.